Good morning, Nova here, June 25th, 2026, and welcome back. Today's theme is simple. AI is growing up fast, and the industry is now racing to solve the less glamorous parts that actually decide who wins. Chips, security, cloud plumbing, auditing, document handling. The flashy demo era is not over, but the real money is shifting to systems that are cheaper to run, easier to trust, and harder to shut off. And that matters whether you're a developer shipping features, a company buying AI tools, or just someone wondering why every app suddenly wants to assist you. Semiconductors. OpenAI and Broadcom debut Jalapeño for LLM Inference. OpenAI and Broadcom have unveiled Jalapeño, a custom chip focused on LLM inference, the stage where trained models actually answer prompts in production. The companies say the design targets better throughput, lower power use, and more predictable scaling across large AI deployments. That matters because inference is where AI companies burn cash every single day. Training grabs headlines, but serving millions of users is the ongoing expense. If Jalapeño performs as promised, OpenAI could reduce dependence on standard GPU supply, improve margins, and tune hardware specifically for its own model behavior. The bigger signal is strategic. More AI labs now want vertical control, from model to data center to silicon. That puts pressure on NVIDIA's dominance, even if it does not replace GPUs overnight. Ever heard of inference? It's the moment an AI model uses what it already learned to generate an answer. Training teaches the model. Inference is the live, real-world work users actually experience. Honestly, if AI replies get faster and cheaper, that eventually shows up in the tools we use every morning, even if we never see the chip behind them. AI. Gemini 3.5 Flash gets computer use. Google is introducing computer use capability in Gemini 3.5 Flash, letting the model interact with software interfaces more directly. In practical terms, that means the model can navigate apps, click through workflows, and help automate tasks that normally require a human using a keyboard and mouse. This is a big shift because it moves AI from answer engine to action engine. For developers, it lowers the barrier to building agents that can operate across older software systems without deep API integrations. For businesses, it opens the door to automating repetitive desktop work, especially in back-office operations. But this also raises reliability questions. Computer use sounds magical until an agent clicks the wrong button in payroll or customer support. Expect heavy interest in guardrails, sandboxing, and audit logs before enterprises trust it broadly. Ever heard of an AI agent? It's software that does more than chat. It can plan steps, use tools, and take actions on your behalf, like filling forms or navigating websites. If this works well, it could save people from the kind of tedious screen hopping that somehow eats half the workday. Security. AI agents get a security roadmap. A new push around securing AI agents is focusing on an AI control roadmap that combines traditional security protections with real-time monitoring. The goal is to protect internal systems as agents gain access to company tools, data, and workflows. This matters right now because agentic AI changes the threat model. A chatbot that summarizes documents is one thing. An agent that can access Slack, CRM records, code repositories, and admin dashboards is something else entirely. One mistake, prompt injection, or stolen credential can turn convenience into a breach. The market impact is clear. Security vendors now have a fresh category to sell into, while enterprises will likely demand agent-specific controls before approving broader deployments. Watch for growth in permission scoping, behavioral monitoring, and kill switch features that let companies stop agents instantly. Ever heard of prompt injection? It's when hidden or malicious instructions trick an AI system into ignoring its intended rules, often causing it to reveal data or take unsafe actions. It's a little like giving a very eager intern the office master key. Helpful, yes, but only if someone is watching. Cloud. NVIDIA and AWS push AI production at scale. NVIDIA and Amazon Web Services are expanding their collaboration to make enterprise AI deployment more practical at scale. The focus spans Amazon OpenSearch and Amazon EC2, with improvements aimed at low-latency inference, faster vector search, stronger GPU price performance, and infrastructure that grows without multiplying operational complexity. That sounds technical, but the business meaning is straightforward. A lot of companies can demo AI. Far fewer can run it reliably in production without costs spiraling. NVIDIA and AWS are trying to become the default stack for that middle ground between prototype and global rollout. For enterprises, this could make AI projects easier to justify financially. For AWS, it strengthens cloud stickiness. For NVIDIA, it expands influence beyond chips into the full deployment pipeline. Ever heard of vector search? It's a way for AI systems to find information by meaning instead of exact keywords, which is why chatbots can retrieve relevant documents even when wording differs. For regular users, this is the invisible stuff that makes AI features feel less laggy, less flaky, and more like something you'd actually keep using. AI. Researchers propose a new way to audit machine unlearning. A new framework for auditing machine unlearning aims to verify whether AI systems have truly forgotten data they were asked to remove. Machine unlearning is becoming more important as regulators, companies, and users push for stronger control over personal data and copyrighted material in training sets. The challenge is that deleting data from a model is not as simple as deleting a file. Once patterns are absorbed during training, proving they are gone is technically hard. That is why auditing matters. Companies may soon need evidence, not just promises, that a model no longer retains sensitive information. This has direct implications for compliance, especially in regions with strict privacy rules. It also matters for model vendors facing lawsuits or takedown demands tied to training data. Ever heard of machine unlearning? It's a set of methods meant to remove the influence of specific data from a trained AI model without retraining everything from scratch. As AI gets woven into more products, people are going to ask a very human question. If I want my data out, can you really take it out? Security. Zero Trust aggregation aims to unlock private analytics. A new approach to private analytics using zero trust aggregation is designed to let organizations analyze data collectively without exposing the raw underlying information. The idea is to support useful measurement while reducing the need to trust any single party with sensitive data. That matters because data collaboration is economically valuable, but legally and reputationally risky. Hospitals, financial firms, and large platforms all want broader insights, but they do not want to leak customer records or hand too much power to a central processor. If zero trust aggregation matures, it could help companies share trends, detect abuse, and improve systems while staying closer to privacy rules. It also fits a wider shift in tech. Privacy is no longer just a policy issue. It is becoming part of product architecture. Ever heard of zero trust? It's a security approach built on never trust, always verify, meaning no user, device, or system gets automatic access just because it's inside the network. For everyday people, this is the kind of progress you hope means better services, without feeling like your personal life became a data donation. Semiconductors. IBM says it has world's first sub-1 nanometer chip technology. IBM says it has achieved the world's first sub-1 nanometer chip technology, using what it calls nanostack transistors, claiming the approach could improve performance or energy efficiency in future processors. Now, this is not the same as a product shipping next quarter. It is a research milestone. But it matters because the semiconductor industry keeps running into the physical limits of shrinking transistors. Each new step gets harder, more expensive, and more dependent on novel materials and architectures. If IBM's work proves manufacturable, it could influence the next generation of high-performance computing, mobile devices, and AI infrastructure. It also reinforces that chip leadership is no longer just about size labels. Packaging, power efficiency, and transistor design now matter just as much. Ever heard of a nanometer in chips? It's a rough measure tied to transistor scaling. Smaller usually means more transistors in less space, which can improve speed, efficiency, or both. It's wild to think the future of your laptop battery life may depend on breakthroughs happening at a scale you literally cannot see. Generative AI. Mistral turns OCR into an enterprise AI play. Mistral has launched OCR4, a document intelligence model that goes well beyond plain text extraction. It supports 170 languages, handles formats like PDF, doc, and PPT, and returns structured outputs with bounding boxes, block classification, and confidence scores. It is available through Mistral's API and major platforms, with self-hosted deployment aimed at regulated industries. Why it matters now is bigger than OCR. Enterprises want AI that can ingest contracts, invoices, research files, and scanned records without sending sensitive documents into foreign-controlled cloud systems. Mistral is leaning hard into European AI sovereignty, especially after recent US export control disruptions shook trust in American model access. The market angle is sharp. OCR is the wedge into broader enterprise AI budgets, from search to agents to compliance workflows. Ever heard of OCR? It stands for Optical Character Recognition, technology that turns scanned pages or images into machine-readable text, so software can search, analyze, or automate documents. And let's be honest, any tool that can finally make old PDFs less painful already feels a little heroic. Hey, Nova here. If there's one takeaway today, it's that AI competition is no longer just about who has the smartest model. It's about who can run that model cheaply, secure it responsibly, prove it behaves, and fit it into the messy reality of business systems and regulation. That's where the next wave of winners will likely emerge. So yes, the headlines are about chips, agents, cloud stacks, privacy math, and document parsing, but underneath all of that is one question. Which AI tools can people and companies actually trust enough to depend on? All right, catch me again tomorrow. Have a great day out there.